Today we're going to try out NanoVMs Inception. We're going to run Firecracker on it and show you how you can kind of build your own platform as a service using Firecracker and Nano's Unikernels. And you don't have to use expensive bare metal instances or anything like that. So basically just go through, click now, and you'll come to the marketplace. It's really cheap. You're not even going to spend $1 testing this out. So you can just kind of get started immediately. I've got my instance spun up. So if you're following along, so we cut this little tutorial the other day, which basically shows you kind of how to run this example. This is like a hello world example, right? It's not meant to be, something that is just there for production. You can add your own flavors. But anyways, we'll start off by installing some of these tools that this web application uses. So this is Bridge Utils and NetTool, and basically just allows us to create bridges and do some other stuff. All right. I might have to fix this. I thought that was the actual package there. But anyways, that's fine. And then we can download this. I did cut a release here that you can kind of use if you don't have Go, you don't want to compile it. But I'm also going to show you this example here, which is the hello world. So that's why I'm just going to clone it, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Something like this. All right. And then, all right, so let's go ahead and build this. This is just a hello world. It says vimgo because that's what auto-populates when I open my editor with a .go, and it's a brand new file. Pretty basic. And I'm just on a normal T3 medium Inception instance, so we can test it out first. Then we can kind of test it out. Use the nightly flag here. There's some stuff in the nightly release that you'll need. If we cut a new release after this video sometime, then you should be fine. That was just downloading the new kernel. So that works. That's great. Now we can go ahead and do this. And, I'm actually going to have to pop into another instance here. Okay. Blow this up so y'all can see. I'm really curious. I'm gonna have to fix this. I think I know what package we're missing here. So these, again, like if I was going to rewrite this, I would get rid of all this exec command crap and replace it with like native Go stuff. It's just generally not great to do that in prog code at least. So IP we would have. Yeah, I'm not sure what package that was. We'll find out. And then so yeah, I guess we can go ahead. So we already did ops run on test, right? So now we should see this in here now, which we do. So now we can do something like this, right? And then I put this little script in here. So basically this is just gonna issue a post. It's gonna say the root image path is in ops image test. And it's gonna try to create it. Again, if I was going to extend this example, I might have it talk to S3 the first time and maybe cache it, or maybe I do a Fuse file system to S3. Fuse is kind of a piece of shit though. Lots of different options here. but for simplicity and demo's sake, we're just gonna use it from the local directory. We're gonna do a create. So this didn't work right now because, oh, Firecracker. Well, we need that too, right? So let's go ahead and download that. So do the view on GitHub. I forgot we had to do this. So we go to the releases. And we're going to grab, what is this, x86. This is what we want. Copy link. And have the path hard-coded to this. You could put it wherever you think is good. So we unzip this, release, and I'm just going to move this guy out to Firecracker so it knows where to find it. Okay. And I think it's gonna fail on us one more time because I think I'm missing one more thing that I need to install. Oh, no, it worked. Great. All right, so you can kind of see that it spun it up, gave it an IP and an ID, and then this little vim go, that was our actual instance being spun up. Now, since it wasn't like a persistent web server or anything, it just, you know, it spun up, did its work, spun down. And if you look at it, it was damn fast too, because like we, yeah, like not even 40, like 100 milliseconds. I don't know. Anyways, it's damn fast is what it is. Considering you can just keep on doing stuff like that, and you know, you get new IPs and new IDs, and this is a great form of isolation. If you absolutely need the capability to own your orchestration layer on like a normal Linux VM, which is what we're on, being able to run Firecracker on Amazon with and stuff your Unikernel payloads and into it is a great way to do it. So all you people that are doing your serverless offerings, anybody who's doing, you know, maybe you got a new Postgres hosting offer. There's like 100 different of those companies out there. Anything multi-tenant, if you have lots of different customers and you want each of them to be isolated from each other, Nanos Unikernel is the way to go. If you're doing AI workloads, that's another great use case. You know, if you need to spin stuff up really quickly, or if you need to ensure that, you know, again, one customer's prompts are not getting into somebody else's. I mean, this is what you need to do. But I just wanted to show you how easy this was to run Firecracker workloads with unikernels on normal. Again, this is like a T3 medium instance using NanoVMs Inception. And again, for, you know, this video is not that long, and you can't even get coffee to test this out for the same price. So let me know what you build, and I would be happy to chat further about it. All right, bye.